head. B for ball, bounce up high. Nyala, catch it quickly, touch the sky. C for cat, soft and small. Clip her and play with yarn and ball. D for dog, wagging tail. Loyal friend without fail. E for elephant, bit with long day hard. Trumpet sounds loud and long. F for fish, swimming free, in the water happily. G for grapes, purple and green. Healthy snack and always clean. H for hen, cluck cluck cluck. Knitting grains with lots of luck. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. A yummy treat we love to eat. J for jug, water inside. Good for thirst when you've cried. K for kite, flying so high. Dancing freely in the sky. L for lion, king with might. Roars so loud with all his might. M for monkey, jump, jump, jump loud. Climbs the trees without a bump. N for nest, safe and warm. Home that birds build with charm. O for ostrich, fast and tall. Run so quick, won't ever fall. P for parrot, green and red. Talking words everyone said. Q for queen, royal and fair. I'm sitting on a golden chair. R for rabbit, soft and white. Run hopping gently, pure delight. S for sun, bright and strong. Gives us light all day long. T for train, chug chug go. Running fast and running slow. U for umbrella, rain is here. Keeps us dry, no need to fear. V for van, sturdy ride. Takes us places far and wide. W for watch, tick tick tick. Tells the time, it's always quick. X for xylophone, ting ting ting. The octal bars that softly sing. Y for yak, furry and strong. Yak walks the mountains all day long. Z for zoo, animals play. Come and watch them every day.